welcome back to my channel, everybody. And if you're new, well, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I am so excited for this video. If you could see how ugly my room looks right now, but I was like, I need to shoot this because I want to play with my phone, you know? So let's just get into it. My baby, my absolute baby. I am so happy. The plastic is gone. I'm very sad. I'm very sorry. I know I also like to watch the ones with the literal plastic, and I would have loved to take off the plastic, but it's gone. The guy took it off. So let's just pretend it's here, okay? I'm kidding. Anyway, let's go. Oh, come on. I literally go every time. Honestly, look how stunning it is. It's literally look at it. Like, is this a joke? Literally, this must be a joke. This phone is, oh my lord, it's so stunning, guys. It's so beautiful. Okay, the unimportant bits. The cable. I was gonna buy the adapter because actually, to all my South Africans, buy it at a service provider because it's cheaper there. It's not like groundbreakingly cheaper, but at the end of the day, it's cheaper at a service provider. So I was so shocked when the guy told me. I was like, really? So I can even buy myself the adapter now. And I was going to, but then there were still lines at the ice store, and I was like, I ain't got time for that. I'll come back another day. So I'm gonna buy the adapter another day. Good job. So it comes with this, as we know. And it comes with obviously the manuals and the sim eject tool, and that's it. No one cares about that, to be honest. We care about the baby. I am irritated though because of this. Let me see if it's focusing. Hold on, I'm so sorry. It should be this. Oh, not that it's not focusing, you just can't see it. Okay, I'll try and show you in a different light. But there's that C, E, and then the dustbin with the X thing on it, like here on the side. That's really irritating. Because normally that stuff is like here at the bottom and whatever with the iPhone and then the writing. But yeah, they just put it on the side. There's no writing, it's just that symbol stuff. But like, it's irritating to me. But anyway, has already been taken off, so it's not going to be as satisfying because the guy took out the plastic so he can put a screen guard on. But anyway. Ooh, it still was a little satisfying. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is what I haven't done. Switch it on. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Let me switch on the Wi-Fi. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my gosh. It is adorable. Okay. Not that I ruined the bed. Can you see the bed? Okay, you can't. Thank the Lord, because the bed looks horrendous. Oh my goodness gracious. That is so freaking cute. Yeah, English. No. There, South Africa. Quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this device. Okay, let's do that. So I'm going to change the background. It's going to be totally different because I'm going to go shoot it with a different phone because I have to shoot it with my actual phone because I broke my camera phone. Ha! Okay, it's asking me for Face ID now. So hopefully you can chill. First of all, that's not doing straight. This is the most ratchet unboxing on the face of the planet. I apologize. Let's do this. It really does make me nervous, so I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like it's a lot of information. My whole ass face. You got my fingers, you got my face. Transfer your, oh, sorry. Can you see? Yeah. Transfer your data. Transfer from iPhone. Transfer directly so this iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. Download from iCloud. No, transfer. Because I know my iCloud hella dingy. Siri, I don't believe in Siri. She listens to everything you do. That is real FBI shit. No. So it says it's done now. Finally, it said complete on that phone. So it's the moment of truth. I have a case here, a clear case. Obviously not an iPhone iStore case. That's also very clear because I don't actually want that MagSafe circle because I don't really care about MagSafe. I'm not a don't ruin it for me. No, I already saw. I'm not a wireless charging kind of person. I literally don't care about wireless charging. So, oh, other side. Oh, got it. So I just got a simple clear case from one of those stores inside the mall. Ciao. There. That means it's pretty sturdy then. So yeah, I just have a clear case. I'll probably get other like decorative ones a bit later. Yeah, this is my home screen. Look at it, it's me and my niece. So unlock it, swipe up, and everything is, oh my word, and it's here. My phone is transferred, and it was this way, and that's everything. Oh wow, this is so different. I wonder how long it's gonna take to download everything. No, deadass, this is so different. Whoa. I'm gonna have to change my backgrounds though. They don't look, or not change them, but redo them so they fit the screen because they don't look as cute. It's even the, not me looking for this phone. Not me. Anyway, so I just feel like I should say this, especially here because this one is quite costly here. This was not like a bragging thing. This is not a I'm rich thing. I wish I was. If I was, I'd be unboxing an iPad Air as well because I need that, but I'm not. And I'm thankful. I genuinely am. My mom, like I said earlier, is the light of my life. Like wow, this is more like a graduation present because 2 times graduate, God willing, got 5 out of 8 of my results. So yeah, this is more like a graduation present for graduating twice because I did my honors this year. So that's what this is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will do a what's on my iPhone when I redo it. I feel like I'm going to change it. I don't think I'll do an iOS customization because that's too much time and it's not that really necessary. But thank you so much for watching this. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Bye.